Welcome to the Small Business Network Facebook members navigation page. Feel free to sign in. Next, you will be presented with your main page. Please look to the right-hand corner on the top and click on the messenger icon. Once you click on your messenger icon, it will direct you to a new page. On this new page, you can choose from one of two options to click onto your group. Once you click your group, you will see a new page. You're going to look for See Chat Members and click as so. Next, you will see your chat members. You can scroll and choose which one you want by clicking your icon. Each page will allow a pop-up. This pop-up, you're going to click View Facebook Profile for each member. Then you're going to friend, follow, and proceed with your like, follows, and shares. Each member will have to click a link to like, follow, and share each profile. You can proceed to do this one by one. Don't forget to comment and leave a comment for at least 3 posts. And proceed to like, follow, and share your next team member. Social media is your outlet where we network and stream content creation and look for customers or possibility of consumers. By networking, you allow yourself to be seen and visible throughout the world. When you like, follow, and share, it allows potential clients to see you. On a much wider spectrum. Now seen by hundreds, if not thousands. Of potential consumers. And giving you the ability to find your niche and build your brand. Business networking is more than just exchanging contact information. It's about building relationships that can elevate your personal and professional growth. Like a tree that draws strength from its roots that support it. Your network nurtures your aspirations and fuels your journey to success. Embracing every connection with authenticity and intention. For in the tapestry of relationships lies the power to transform dreams into reality and challenges into opportunities. Remember, in the realm of networking, giving is as crucial as receiving, and together we rise.